Hey, Matt Capell here. I'm the owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors here in the Treasure Valley. Anyway, I'm here to talk about vacuums, okay? So the vacuum is actually your best friend with carpet because it can help fluff it up, make it look nice. And I've heard somebody ask me once, can I vacuum too much? I would say no. It's important too when picking up a vacuum to make sure that different carpet mills have different requirements for different vacuums. Some are recommended, some are not. So I just wanted to give you a couple quick tips while vacuuming. So a lot of times you'll lose suction while vacuuming, and I know this might sound silly, but this is really important. First thing to check, in this case here, so if come a little bit closer here. So this vacuum's been having some issues because why? It is totally full. So we need to dump that. Fortunately for this is bagless, so it's really easy. But that would be the first thing to check. The second thing I would check is, so many of you probably know, I have a house full of daughters and a wife. And they have lots of hair, and that's a good thing. But if you look here really closely, why don't you come a little bit closer, it creates rope, and hair makes really good rope apparently. But it's important to periodically check in here in your beater bar, get something like this. Trust me, usually this is a lot worse, but this is the vacuum from work. So if you get some scissors or whatnot like that, I mean, I know this isn't like the most pleasant thing to do, but you got to pull this stuff out because quite frankly, if you don't, you'll lose suction and lose power with your vacuum, and then it won't pull your carpet back up and make it look nice. So anyway, that's just a quick tip, pretty easy to fix. So make sure to check your bag. If you have a bagless vacuum, it's probably good to dump it out after every vacuuming. And the other thing too is to make sure your beater bar is clear. The other thing I would recommend too is if you have a trouble spot with your carpet, it's probably best to vacuum that area a lot slower and to vacuum both this way and that way to really fluff back up the fiber. So hopefully this vacuuming tip helps. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do that below, and I will promise I'll answer everything that you have. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.